We hear it all too often. I'm stressed out. What exactly is stress? Joining us today is life transformational coach and author Jacinth Tracy to talk about women and stress and why what we don't know can actually harm us. So let's start us off by telling us what exactly is stress, because as we were mentioning, everyone, how are you doing? I'm stressed out.
Yeah.
I'm so stressed.
Yeah. And in a sense, that's true because we're living in a very fast-paced society where a lot of people are experiencing stress to various degrees. What we call stress is basically an emotional and physiological or bodily response to something we perceive as a threat or a source of pressure. Now, the word perception is very important because not every single stress is perceived equally. For example, I could see something as stressful and you could see something as a piece of cake, but it's something that we interpret in ourselves as causing us threat or potential physical or emotional harm. So I'll give you an example. Let's say person A and person B were walking down the street, and approaching them is a large unleashed dog.
Right.
Now person A might say, oh my gosh, isn't he cute? I want to pat him when he gets closer. But person B might start to basically get stressed out. They might develop rapid heart rate, deep breathing. They might feel their muscles tighten in anticipation of what they're going to do when the dog comes. And that's basically a perception of what that dog represents. The stress trigger or the stressor, the source of stress is the exact same. It's the dog. But person A perceives it based on their past conditioning, for example. Maybe person A had a pet dog when they were growing up, so dogs present no threat to them. But person B may have been bitten by a dog at some point in their childhood or earlier on. So now that stressor has generalized to all dogs, and they see that stress as a threat. So stress in itself, the object in itself, doesn't have the potential to cause stress. It's how we interpret it, how we perceive it based on our past, based on our history, based on our genetics that determine whether or not we're going to say it's stressful or not to us. We have a predisposition or a vulnerability. You inherit some genetic material, and within that there are general tendencies or personality traits. But if we do inherit stressful personality trait from our parents, for example, if we had a mom that was, freaking out at every little thing, it doesn't necessarily mean that we have to be the exact same way, because we have control. We can control the way we think, we can control the way we feel, and we can control the way we behave. It all comes down to a conscious choice to not go that way.
Okay, interesting. So how you handle that stressor can cause less stress.
Exactly. It's our emotional reactions to the stress that's obviously causing the stress. It's not the thing itself. So for example, I can choose, if I had a stressful past, I can choose to let that continue to stress me out, or I can say, you know what, I've had enough of this. I can't continue living this way. I have to modify the way I think. I have to modify the impact of that stress on me so I can go on living my life without letting that thing impact me the same way. And it comes down to a conscious choice to reprogram yourself. And that's what I do in my practice, is I help people to do that, because not everybody can do that on their own. It takes skill. It takes tenacity. It's not going to happen overnight. You've developed a history. The person has developed a history of a stressful response, maybe not just to one thing, because people who have a stress response don't generally respond with stress to one thing. It tends to be a stress habit, as we call it. And so unpacking that habit that took years and years to learn, perhaps a lifetime to learn, will take a bit of time to unpack and reprogram. And that could be done in a relatively a short period of time.
We're going to talk more about stress. We're going to talk about chronic stress and how it can actually harm you in your life. If you have any